Oh, hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Short update video on the MAN F8 4-axle tanker. So here it is. We seem to have Father Ted, who is blessing it. I don't know if you've ever watched the Irish sitcom Father Ted. It's very, very good, very funny. And I hope it's Father Ted and not Father Dougal, otherwise it'll probably blow up. Anyway, apart from this, here I've got my rather assorted collection of figurines. So some of these you've actually seen me painting these railwaymen here. So these I bought second hand on Vinted, and most of them have to be painted. And here I have a selection of other pretty cheap and very shiny, glossy, very basic figurines from the, I think it's a Hachette build your own, model railway collection that I got from a friend in Trieste, Matteo, right, who follows the channel. Ciao Matteo, come va? And but among all these figurines, I've been looking for a candidate to be sort of modified, to be subject to orthopedic surgery, to be fitted into the, oh no, Father Ted had a wee problem. Father Ted's very good. He has more than Father Ted, I'd say he's Don Camillo, if you've ever seen the Italian films of Don Camillo, because he's wearing his clergyman's hat there. Look at that. He's got an umbrella. Very nice figurine. This comes from another set I bought, so in this collection of odds and ends here. Anyway, so you see, I would like to fit the driver in there, but there is even space to adapt the driver's legs. But I would have to source, in my opinion, a sitting figure, which I don't have. So what's the plan? Because the plan is to put the driver in there. Plan is now to paint the cab inside. So I had a look at some photographs of various lorries, and the cab will be painted, pointer, I've got a pointer, here's a pencil. So black interior, brown seats. Matte black interior, brown seats, brown hold all tray here beside on top of the engine, and gloss black steering wheel. So that's easy done. And then I can fit the grille. I think I can fit the grille to the cab, no problem, and get everything reinstated, and we could actually just keep the cab just pressed in place like that. And then the day that we do get a suitable driver, we can just slide the cab off dead easy and open it up and put the driver in when we get a suitable sitting figure. Now that's stuck, I'll take that off afterwards. So that's the short, very wee update for tonight, and it's actually early. Between 15:15 and 11. So I'm going to get some things done now. For instance, I'm going to paint the engine black underneath, because I doubt the engine was sprayed blue. I might sort of weather as well and have a look at some of these suspensions and make them a bit less blue, a bit more rusty, the leaf springs in particular. And the axles there, I'm going to touch them up in black as well, to make them stand out less in the nasty grey that they're in. But on the whole, we're getting on quite well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Let me know what's your opinion on the figurine issue. And another wee update here, I'm going to have a look tonight at Electrotren. So I don't know which video is going to go online first, the repairs to the Electrotren wheels or this one. You'll just wait and see. And what else? Nothing else. Okay, if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course, click the notification bell. I'm liking this more and more. In fact, to like is one of these verbs that you don't usually make a continuous form, because either you like or you don't like. But this is my job as an English teacher. But sometimes you can say I'm liking this more and more. It's like the advert for a certain fast food chain, which is, that's loving it. But loving it is liking, you could say. Yes, you could say something liking. Actually, would be better as starting to like, but okay. I'm supposed to be on sort of holiday. Let's not talk about English grammar. Thank you very much.